Hi, welcome. Today we're going to do a dog. So like the workshop, if you took the workshop, we did this. Otherwise, first introduction. So we're going to start from the nozzle for all our balloons down to the tail. So for this one, what we're going to do is hold it and we're going to high five it down, grab it, squeeze, and then 1, 2, 3-ish. There we go. Now we're going to do that again. Down, grab, squeeze, turn 1, 2, 3. Adjust as needed. Squeeze, turn,